Welcome to LBank. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of one-click buy and sell process for WebEnd step-by-step. Visit and log in to the LBank official website. Navigate to Buy Crypto, then select One-Click Buy to start. Tap Buy. Choose your fiat currency like USD and crypto like USDT. Enter the fiat amount. The system calculates the estimated crypto and best offer. Review and tap Buy to confirm order. Select payment method via payment method. If KYC verification is not complete, system will prompt to ask for a KYC completion first. If KYC is completed, follow system prompts to fill up information and review order details. Tap Confirm to complete. For selling, tap Sell. Choose crypto like USDT to sell and fiat like USD to receive. Enter crypto amount. Review estimated fiat and best offer. Then tap Sell to proceed the order. Adjust types and tap Payment method for options or more. Enter receiving account details and tap Sell to complete. Enable two-factor authentication and monitor activity for security. Go to Personal Center Security. Set up Passkey and Google Auth. Start small, watch trends. For issues, contact fiat-CS@lbank.com. Funds arrive within 48 hours once order completed. That's it. LBank makes trading secure and easy. Visit www.lbank.com to get started today.